With a little bit of prep and planning, you can conquer your craving for fish and chips with this easy recipe. To make the batter, whisk together 2 cups flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, a 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, a dash of Old Bay seasoning. Feel free to use whatever beer you want. Me, I like a nice, clean, light beer. I find it gives the batter a really nice light color. Bring a large pot of water to a boil and season well with salt. Cut 4 large or 6 small yellow fleshed potatoes into large wedges and boil until soft. Strain and shake the potatoes gently to rough up the edges a bit. Let cool. So the reason we boil and shake the potatoes before we fry them is because we want to rough them up. We want to create little edges and little peaks, so when you do fry them, you really get a nice, crispy, crunchy potato that's soft and pillowy on the inside. Bring a deep fryer or large pot of vegetable oil to 350 degrees. Fry the potatoes until golden brown and nice and crispy. Shake in a bowl and season well with salt. Coat the fish in a thin layer of cornstarch and shake to dust any excess off. Dip in the beer batter to coat and slowly drop in the fryer or pot. Shake the fish a bit to ensure it hasn't stuck to the basket or bottom of the pot. Once the fish is golden brown, remove from the oil, season with salt. Serve with the big chunky fries, fresh lemon, and your favorite tartar sauce.